Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate ESPN Plus on your TV using an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming sports content. Step 1. Turn on your TV and open the ESPN app. If you don't have the app installed, download it from your TV's app store. Step 2. Launch the ESPN app and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Step 3. Select the option to Activate or Link your TV to generate an activation code. Step 4. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible as you will need it for the next steps. Step 5. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to the ESPN activation website at espn.com. Activate. Step 6. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 7. Click Continue or Submit. Then log into your ESPN Plus account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to subscribe to ESPN Plus first. Step 8. Once logged in and the code is verified, your TV will automatically refresh and ESPN Plus will be activated. You can now enjoy live sports, original shows, and exclusive content directly on your TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.